Russia has officially started mass production of the Sukhoi Su-57 Felon 5th generation stealth fighter jet since the end of October 2025. This step marks a significant transition from limited initial production volumes to continuous manufacturing to strengthen the Russian Aerospace Forces fleet. This transition at the Komsomolsk-on-Amur aircraft plant, KNAAZ, aims to accelerate deliveries to the Russian Aerospace Forces with a target of 76 aircraft by 2027-2025. This step marks a significant transition from limited initial production volumes to continuous manufacturing to strengthen the Russian Aerospace Forces FLE. AI technology utilization. Russia deployed an artificial intelligence AI-based automated robotic technology RTK complex at the Gagarin assembly and overcome labor constraints. Latest unit delivery. In February 2026, the Russian military received the latest batch of Su-57s with a more advanced technical configuration, including updated avionics systems and more lethal weapons capabilities. Strategic target. This mass production aims to close the air power amid rising geopolitical tensions. Export market. Rosoburan Export confirmed it had secured the first export deal for the Su-57E variant ahead of the The Sukhoi Su-57 Felon is designed to strengthen air dominance, modernize the military, and compete with NATO's production. Also aims to enhance combat capabilities, replace legacy aircraft, and expand export potential to partner nations. Russia's Sukhoi Su-57 stealth fighter jet is under mass production by the Komsomolsk-on-Amur. Russia is targeting deliveries of up to 76 units by 2028, despite composite material constraints in early 2026. Aircraft factory, KNAAZ. With increased production using AI robotic technology to speed up assembly, Russia is accelerating mass production of the Su-57 to catch up on air technology, supported by the use of advanced robotics designed by the Irkutsk National Engineering Research University. This strategic step was implemented at the Gagarin aircraft factory, KNAAZ, in Komsomolsk-on-Amur to overcome manual labor limitations and speed up This digital integration aims not only to increase the number of units, but also to build a future manufacturing ecosystem to support 6th-generation platforms and unmanned aircraft such as the S-70 Okhotnik.